At the heart of Groningen, you'll find the elegant and historic Van Swinderen Huys. With its medieval appearance, it's one of the most famous buildings in the city. Our glass hall can fit up to 100 people and is ideal for large events such as conferences, seminars, workshops, and graduation ceremonies. Our brasserie can host 24 people, where you can have your lunch or dinner. The combination of the brasserie, the patio, and the bar on the first floor offers the optimal space to have some drinks after your conference or graduation ceremony. On the second floor, we have a bar and the conservatory, which is excellent for networking and catching up with your colleagues while enjoying some drinks and snacks during your event. The club lounge, with its distinctive character, is a charming space to host your presentation, meeting, or networking event in a more intimate atmosphere. With its many windows and views over the Academy Square, the club lounge offers a unique experience. The boardroom on the third floor is a characteristic space with robust furniture. Our meeting room on the third floor is perfect if you're looking for a room to conduct job interviews or want to meet with your colleagues at an external location. It's also suitable as a breakout room during a conference. For more information or to make a reservation, please visit us at www.vanswinderenhuys.nl.